Hey, eighth grade, Mr. Gardner here. This is a review from class on 9/8/2020. Today I'm asking you to do a free write. And all this week we're going to be working with September 11th, as that's coming up for Friday. As we talked about in class, it's a major event in U.S. history. So we're going to be writing about it, we're going to be reading about it, doing some creative work, some analysis, lots and lots of higher level thinking. Today I want you to do a free write for me, please. And we looked at that in class. So I will show you. First, steps 1 through 5, that's the menu path you need to take to get to choice 6. So I want to run through that with you so you can see where I am clicking. But again, if you have trouble, the menu path is right here. I also have office hours at 1:15 until 2 o'clock each day if you need some help. So I will click on Smithsonian's History Explorer. We spent a couple days on this last week, so you should be somewhat familiar. Then I'm going to come down to September 11th, click on that. The next step is right here. It says Get Resource, so you'll click on that. That takes you to the September 11th page. Tons of great information here. We are going to come over to this section where it says Browse the Complete September 11th Collection, and we're going to click on that. Now, you will have many options to pick from here, and I urge you to look at some of these on your own time. The one we're looking for, however, has to do with photographs, and it's photographs that were at the site of the World Trade Center. Now, it may take you several times to hit see more objects until you find it, but just be patient. And here it is, photographs of World Trade Center site. I will click on that. You have 4 pictures right here that we're going to focus on. I want you to pick one. There's one with firemen. You can see the devastation back here, the firefighters here. There's a picture called Rescue Personnel, going through the dust and debris, looking for survivors. This one's called Reed and Hudson Streets. The person stands right on the corner just as things are starting to happen. And then you have one called Ground Zero. So what I want you to do, please, is pick one of these 4 pictures, and I want you to do a free write. I want you to study the picture a little bit, and then write about what you see and how it makes you feel. So this picture, for example, as you look at it, what feelings do you have? What emotions does it bring up? Do you feel sad or angry, scared, anxious? And tell me why. You could write about what the people in the picture might be feeling. You could talk about what they might be hearing, seeing, smelling, or even tasting. I'd love for you to talk about the photograph itself, the way the photographer tried to tell a story with the photograph. You can talk about the lighting. You can talk about the things in the picture, including the people, but also the other things. What kind of mood was the photographer after? So a free write, again, everybody, is when I ask you to study something and just write about it. It's going to be due Friday. You can turn it in early, but I really want you to take some good time and think about the picture, study the picture that you've chosen, and then write about it. Now, you may write in paragraph form, or you may create a list. It needs to be longer than a quick write, but it's not necessarily a 3-paragraph essay. I think you know where I'm at with that. Please, if you have any questions, let me know, and I am more than happy to help.